Oh, it's so hard and it can't. I did it.
It worked.
Oh, you have to do 4. Do 4 instead of 5.
When she stands in front of the heat, it makes the balloon fall and then lands on her.
Mom, make 2 fall down and 2 more.
Nyla, what are you doing? Okay.
I'm gonna knock down that number. I'm gonna knock down this.
5. Try 5 now.
That's not 5, that's 4.
No, I'm saying try 5 now. What the? What's your problem, man?
He was wild.
Look at Nyla. Look. Nori. She's curious. What's in there? And then whenever her head blocks the heat, the balloons fall. Nori, move out of the way. Nori, move. Come over here. I can't see.
It's hard. It's really hard.
Nori, come over here so Nyla can try. Are you listening? Hold on. She wants to know what's in the hole.
I'm like 11. Mom, you're just like 11.
Don't worry about me, Nyla. I'm not doing anything. Are you trapped? See, nothing's in there. Can we get a comment? Can we get a statement? Can we get a statement? What was in there? What was in the hole? Nyla, can we get a statement? Nyla, what was in the hole? What was in the hole? Nyla, what was in the hole? She's too good for paparazzi. Ew.